everyone, welcome to this video on data warehouse and its architecture. In this video, we'll be discussing what a data warehouse is and the different components that make up a data warehouse architecture. What is a data warehouse? A data warehouse is a large, centralized repository of data that is used for reporting and analysis. It's designed to support business decision-making by providing a single source of truth for data across an organization. Data warehouses are typically used by companies that have a lot of data from different sources and need to be able to analyze that data in a consistent and reliable way. Components of data warehouse architecture. There are several components that make up a data warehouse architecture, including source systems. These are the systems that generate the data that will be stored in the data warehouse. Source systems can include things like transactional databases, CRM systems, and ERP systems. ETL extract, transform, load processes. These are the processes that are used to extract data from source systems, transform it into a format that can be used by the data warehouse, and load it into the data warehouse. Data warehouse database. This is the database where the data is stored. It's designed to support complex queries and reporting. Data marts. These are smaller, more focused databases that are designed to support specific business functions or departments. Business intelligence tools. These are the tools that are used to analyze the data in the data warehouse. They can include things like reporting tools, dashboards, and data visualization tools. That's a brief overview of data warehouse architecture.